This is Jurassic Skies, which is an exhibition about things that fly and were around in the Jurassic period, which is 150 million years ago, well, between 200 and 130 million years ago. It's quite a nice opportunity, this exhibition, to work with our colleagues in Wales. So they sent us the core of the exhibition, which is talking about Archaeopteryx, which is the first bird, which is found from 150 million years ago, and it's from Germany, Solnhofen. You get these sediments where you get these things really well preserved. There's kind of different zones. So we have our pterosaurs, which are these flying reptiles from you get them from kind of quite a big chunk of time when the dinosaurs were around, but they certainly were present in the Jurassic, so 150 million years ago, same sediments that the first bird was from. And then, of course, we have our little kind of vitrine, our little glass case, which has a model of Archaeopteryx, which was built in collaboration with an artist, and it's really kind of a cutting-edge idea of what it looked like. So we're taking the latest science and we're adding it to the kind of artist skill to make this really, really cool model of a Archaeopteryx chasing a dragonfly up a tree. The Jurassic period, we tend to think of it as being, it's a long time ago. 150 million years is a long time. That's before T-Rex was around. It's going right back into kind of the early stages of when dinosaurs were just getting cool. What we do know about those dinosaurs is that they were feathered. And this is all, this is stuff which has been coming out for the last 20 years or so from special fossil environments in China. We've been discovering these incredible fossils of feathered dinosaurs. So we know that dinosaurs had feathers, and so it's an easy kind of step to make to say that, well, the first bird was probably a dinosaur.